The weather has turned insane today. Yesterday we got here and it was so pretty. Today it looks like a dang hurricane is coming through. There are tornado watches and I don't know, it's getting pretty crazy out here.
And I've been watching the water because we parked right next to the water. And there was like probably at least 15 more feet of ground. So that's a little concerning.
And it's raining now.
Yeah, it's definitely coming in.
Leland's so scared. Any more tornado warnings?
That's just what we're going through right now, that's all.
Lovely.